Picture yourself, alone in the dead of night when the air grows, still and the shadows deepen. You hear whispers from unseen entities, see lights that shouldn't exist, and feel a chill that seeps into your bones. These are not just tales or scenes from some sci-fi movie, but real events that have left even the most rational minds gripped with fear. Prepare yourself as we explore the most terrifying, unsettling, and inexplicable phenomena ever caught on camera. So turn off the lights, brace yourself, and join us on a journey into the heart of the unknown. Welcome to Why, where we ask the questions that unlock the secrets of the universe. Number 1, is that Matrix code? Well, not really. Hawaiians have been mystified by the bizarre light show that's played across their skies in recent weeks. The Matrix-like lasers' origins are terrestrial in nature, even if they did come from space itself. Captured on January 28th by the Subaru Asahi camera that live streams the night sky from the Big Island's hotly contested Mauna Kea volcano. The spectacle is believed to be the work of lasers from NASA's Ice Cloud and Land Elevation Satellite 2 orbiter. Super cool, right? Number 2, the donut UFO. Crew members aboard an RAF Atlas were out on a training exercise when they spotted the item with a hollow center at high altitude. The crew, who had been flying over Carrick Hill that November afternoon, described it as circular with a hollow center like a donut, and it shot past the right side of the plane just a few feet from the wingtip. Experts believe that it is a drone. However, some say that there is more to this than meets the eye. What do you think?
Weird. I'm serious. That is. Look.
There's 5 up there.
There's 4.
There's 5. There's 5.
Oh yeah, there is 5. Yeah. Can you see the hole in them? There's like a hole in the middle of them.
Yeah. But the
I thought it was a seagull, didn't I?
yeah, and I said
See it? Did you see the middle of it? It's like they got a hole in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Number 3, a spiral galaxy here on Earth. A camera atop Hawaii's tallest mountain has captured what looks like a spiral swirling through the night sky. Researchers believe it was from the launch of a military GPS satellite that lifted off earlier on a SpaceX rocket in Florida. The images were captured on January 18th by a camera at the summit of Mauna Kea, outside the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan's Subaru telescope. A time-lapse video shows a white orb spreading out and forming a spiral as it moves across the sky. It then fades and disappears. Interestingly, a similar spiral was spotted last April, also after a SpaceX launch, but that one was larger and more faint. The location of the spiral matched where the second stage of the SpaceX rocket was expected to be after its launch. When approached about the matter via email, SpaceX didn't respond. Number 4, ball lightning. This is a phenomenon where a ball of lightning appears to float in the air and sometimes even enters a building through a window. It is thought to be created by a discharge of energy from a thunderstorm, but the exact process is not yet understood. Number 5, spontaneous human combustion. This is a phenomenon where a person suddenly bursts into flames without an apparent source of ignition. While the phenomenon is well known, the exact cause is still a mystery, and some scientists believe it could be related to the body's production of flammable gases. Number 6, the Tunguska event. In 1908, a massive explosion occurred in the Tunguska region of Russia, flattening trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers. It is believed to have been caused by a meteorite, but no impact crater was found, and the exact cause remains a mystery. Number 7, the Marfa lights. In Marfa, Texas, strange lights have been appearing in the night sky for over a century. They appear as bright orbs that move and change color, and are sometimes accompanied by strange sounds. Despite numerous attempts to explain the lights, no satisfactory explanation has been found.
I gotta manually focus this thing out.
There's some over there too?
Yeah, and I've never seen that one.
Wow.
Probably 11 times I've been out.
Really?
They're there, look.
I've seen one that far over there.
That's interesting. That was wild.
I've never seen one that far over.
Wow.
That would be both the Valentine's.
The Taos hum. The Taos hum is a phenomenon that has been reported by many residents of Taos, New Mexico, and other nearby areas since the 1990s. It is described as a persistent low-frequency humming or buzzing sound that can be heard by some people but not by others. Despite extensive investigations, the source of the Taos hum has not been definitively determined, and it remains one of the world's most intriguing unsolved mysteries. The Taos hum is not just heard in Taos, but has been reported in other countries as well, including the United Kingdom, New Zealand, and Australia. Some people who have heard the hum describe it as a deep, low-frequency rumble, while others describe it as a high-pitched whine. Despite its widespread reports, however, the hum remains a largely unexplained phenomenon, and its cause remains unknown. Number 9. Ooparts. An out-of-place artifact is a term applied to dozens of prehistoric objects found in various places around the world that, given their level of technology, are completely at odds with their determined age based on physical, chemical, or geological evidence. In 1991, the appearance of extremely tiny coil-shaped artifacts found near the banks of Russia's Kozym, Narada, and Balbanyu rivers brought about a debate that has continued even to this day. These manufactured coils were initially discovered during geological research associated with the extraction of gold in the Ural Mountains. These pieces include coils, spirals, shafts, and other unidentified components. What is so mysterious about these artifacts is that they were found at a depth between 10 and 40 feet, in a geological stratum between 20,000 and 318,000 years old. Does it suggest that there may have been a culture capable of developing nanotechnology 300,000 years ago? Number 10. The Crooked Forest. The Crooked Forest, located near the town of Gryfino in western Poland, is a small grove of pines with a peculiar characteristic. All of the trees have a noticeable bend at the base of their trunk. The trees in the Crooked Forest are bent at an angle of approximately 90 degrees, and then continue to grow straight upwards. The exact cause of the bend in the trees is not known, but there are several theories that have been put forth to explain this unusual phenomenon. Despite the mystery surrounding the origin of the bend in the trees, the Crooked Forest remains a unique and fascinating example of the power of nature. Bonus point: the Baltic Sea anomaly. In the summer of 2011, Peter Lindbergh and Dennis Osberg, a couple of treasure hunters along with their Ocean X diving team, were hunting on the floor of the northern Baltic Sea when suddenly their sonar image caught a strange object, which would later be known as the Baltic Anomaly, featuring a strange 1,000 feet long runway, and a strange object that appears to have slid across it. The Baltic Sea Anomaly has seen divers take closer looks. What was found below by the divers were steps and compartments, the potential for tunnels and passageways beneath the surface of the unknown object, and an ability for the object to block sonar. Those heading below the surface to snap some photographs of the interesting item found their equipment was not in working order, with sensor and photographic equipment both failing. Mysterious electrical interferences were cited as causing trouble, draining the recently charged batteries and making it impossible to get a closer look. Outlandish theories live on, not just that it may be an extraterrestrial spacecraft which landed in the depths of the ocean, but that it may be a secret Nazi bunker. Simon Andrews, who first wrote the suggestion that the bunker could be an alien device, has noted it could be a secret military project pushed by Adolf Hitler during World War II. Claims a bunker was lowered into the sea were air, but other claims over the presence of the bunker, including that of an ancient temple or Atlantis, have also been noted. There is also the chance that the Baltic Sea anomaly, which has stunned experts around the globe, is nothing more than a glacial deposit. However, nothing explains why electronic devices will not work near it. So what do you think about these strange phenomena? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Why, because together, we ask the questions that unlock the secrets of the universe. Let us know if you would like to see more videos like this. Why? We ask the biggest questions and chase the craziest ideas that only science can answer. Where curiosity knows no bounds.